Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a montage video with a soundtrack on Snapchat. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So a montage video with a soundtrack will create a video with some matching music and effects. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat. Next you want to go ahead and tap on your memories. Here you want to tap on camera roll. Now from this page you want to go ahead and tap on this yellow icon here at the bottom right. It has a music symbol with a plus sign. So go ahead and tap on that. Now from here you want to go ahead and select some images or photos or videos. Now once you've selected some images or videos, tap on next. This will now create the video for you according to the beat. So just give it some time. And once it's done, it'll find the best music to suit that video. If you don't like that music, you can go ahead and select another music and that will recreate the video for you. So you can try multiple tracks to experiment and see which one suits the montage best. And then finally, you can share that video with friends on Snapchat. So there you go. That is how to create a montage video with a soundtrack on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.